Hello fixers, welcome back to Fix It Aid. Just going to be a quick how-to on this video. Now these here are my first Bluetooth headphones I ever had, the JBL 450 BTs, and I honestly think they were fantastic headphones. Really good headphones for the price. They were only about 30, well when I bought them they were about 50 quid, but then they went down to about 30 odd. And these are my current ones. So these are the 660 BTs, very nice. Yes, I tend to go for JBL when it comes to headphones. You tend to get a manufacturer you like and stick with them. But these are my backup pair, if you like, if you will, or not my Sunday best. But they're a bit tired now, as you can see. So the plan is to change the battery. I've got new pads on the way, but I'll show you how to put these back on anyway. So grab yourself a cuppa, sit back for 10 minutes, and let's watch me change this battery. Roll the intro. Right, so rule of thumb, it's not always the case, but what I find, especially with JBLs, is find the charging port and the one with all the gubbins, the buttons and everything, and the battery will be on the other side because I can't fit it all in one earphone, as you can imagine. So what you do is gently pull this off and then undo the screws here. Now be gentle, take it off, and here we have the battery. So as you can see, this one is soldered in. A lot of the newer ones you will have the white plug, so you can just unplug it and plug a new one in, but this one is soldered in, so we're going to have to desolder that. And to be honest, it was not the cleanest of solder joints. So anyway, what we want to do, the battery tends to be a bit stuck down with a bit of tape or something. There we are. What's that rolling around in here now? Forget that for a second. Let's just pry the battery up and out the way. You can unclip the circuit board on this. It's not screwed in, it's unclipped. It's clipped in. So it gives us, let me pull this out of the way, it gives us a little bit more room to work with. Not a huge amount. So what I think I'll do here is actually snip these out. When I find my snips, there they are. And then I can work on this board without the battery in the way. I can tidy it up. And my solder wick, my solder braid, whatever you want to call it, wick, braid, and my soldering iron. And just ease these out. And there's two. Lovely. There's a new one. And we want to solder this in now. So I'm going to put that on here just to weigh it down so it doesn't move. And I'm going to tin, where's my solder gone now? Tin the wires. There we are. So I'm going to use, move this battery out of the way, so I'm going to use this. Right, so I got this by there now. Put the battery down here. Hold the battery by here now. And then solder these in. That's better, isn't it? One. And there's two. Give it a little clean with IPA. Take that out of there now. And now just put it back together. So this clips in here. You have to be careful of the orientation because this is where the pad by here connects to the two pads there. So put the battery in here. Let's get that speaker out of the way, up that wire out of the way a minute. Poke that back down in it. Right, so get the speaker pad now. Get its orientation correct, like that. It's quite simple actually. All you do is you find this little slot here, and then you get part of the lip of the pad, just ease it over and then run it round. Keep it in the groove. And then come back here, have a look where we are. It will get a bit tighter when it gets to the end, but that's all right. Don't be frightened of it. And there we are. So that's how you do it. There we are. Lovely jubbly. So like I say, just a quick video showing you how to, and I will see you very soon. Please like and subscribe, and until the next video, ta-da! But no!